So, mayroon pong isang sikat ngayon, mga sangkay na influencer or vlogger na kung saan nakikipagbardagulan po kay VP Sara. Nako, tingnan po natin to. Yo guys, what's up? Magandang oras po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. At eto, tingnan po natin ang malaking pasabog to mga sangkay. Talagang dinudot-dot ang ating Vice President. No? Anyway, bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe, i-check nyo po sa baba ng video na to, makikita nyo po dyan yung subscribe button. Pindutin nyo lamang po yan, tapos i-click nyo yung bell at i-click nyo po yung all. Sa mga nanonood naman po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Okay, rekta po tayo mga sangkay. Ito yon. I'm sure kilala nyo to eh. Ang mga mahihilig sa politika, kilalang kilala talaga to. Ayan, kita niyo naman. Okay. Binabakbakan niya ngayon si VP Sara. Actually, nakita ko po yung isa niyang video, mga sangkay, na kung saan parang kine-question niya doon bakit ang hina ng ni VP Sara, yung utak ba? Ngayon, ito. Tingnan po natin.
The main question that you asked was that sino ka ba para daw i-question si Sara Duterte? Botante be. Botante niya ako. Iniyakan ko siya, di ba?
Aha.
Binuwis ko rin ang buhay ko para suportahan siya.
Ayan na.
So may right ako na tanungin kung paano niya ginamit ang power na binigay natin lahat sa kanya.
Ayun na.
Nakita ko na sinayang niya ang suporta ko.
Sinayang.
I'm not allowed to say anything? Right natin yan, be. This is a democratic country.
Yan na.
We are still the Philippines and not China. And of course, I will demand. Ang taas nga ng antas ng demand ko sa magbabantay lang sa anak ko. Sa presidente pa kaya ng Pilipinas? Sa representante ko pa kaya sa buong mundo? So, we're not allowed to question our leaders anymore?
Actually, totoo naman yun, mga sangkay, no? Wala namang problema na since aplikante, si VP Sara na tumakbo as president, di ba? Kung may mga nakikita sila na halimbawa na nakukulangan sila sa the way na mag-isip si VP Sara. So, may mga tao na talagang magka-question. Nagkataon lang, mga sangkay, na itong si Jam Magno ay talagang matalas yung yung kilala ba? Kilala siya eh. So, pag siyang nagsalita, at saka talagang punto por punto yung mga sinasabi, kaya tinatamaan po dito yung mga DDS.
So what's the point of having a voice and a platform if we don't do that? Diba? I made pronouncements about her before. I stand by those pronouncements at that time. At that time when I was not presented with facts. But fact of the matter is, we have every right to question a person that we elected in place. I helped elect her. I campaigned for her.
Yun.
Ferociously. My name attached to hers. And I have every right to question what she has done with the trust I had given her. Her office is a public trust. That is why I said I agree to impeach her, because she impeded on that trust. And you say that as if I'm not allowed? We all should question the person we support. Even I questioned PRRD before. I just don't make videos about it because I can ask him myself, which I did when I met him. There were things that I did not agree with, but because I was capable of telling him myself when we met. The thing is, when you cannot question the person you are supporting, that's not how it should be. That's not a democracy. In a democracy, the people decide. The people should be the bosses, not the politician. Yan kasi kasi ang kahirapan for you to question na, bakit mo i-question si Sara Duterte? Why not? Am I not allowed to question the same person I helped win? I mean, I'm not the only one. There's so many of us that helped her win.
Correct, mga sanggay. Kahit kayo na nanonood, di ba? Marami sa inyo, bumoto kay VP Sara. So, parang, sa point na to, I have to agree na karapatan naman natin na mag-question kung mayroon tayong tanong sa mga leader. Halimbawa, kay VP Sara, Ma'am, bakit ganito yung ano mo? Teka lang, anong nangyari? Bakit natatakot ka sa impeachment? 'Di ba? Bakit tila baga todo iwas ka sa ganito? Bakit hindi ka sumisipot sa ganito? Kumbaga, natural na magtanong tayo ng ganyan, mga sangkay, no? Nagkataon lang talaga, iba yung atake ni Jam Magno, eh. Iba yung, iba talaga kapag ka nagsalita siya.
But there's also so many of us that should hold her accountable now that she has won. We should hold her accountable for the chaos that she started in 2023 that caused the demise of the unity. Sino ba ang nanguna sa problema? Hindi ba siya? And sasabihin mo na wala akong right na i-question yan? Bakit hindi? Bakit hindi? Are parents not accountable for their children? Isn't that what their branding was when we voted for them? That they would be the mama and papa of the Philippines? And what did she do? She broke the unity. And you tell me that I'm not allowed to question that? I risked my life for that. I risked my reputation. You insulting my son now is part of why I want to hold her accountable for that. Because that is the kind of support and the kind of supporters that she inspires.
Parang ang atake ng video na to, mga sangkay, hindi direkta na kay VP Sara kasi na-question na po niya si VP Sara eh. Ang atake nito, para po ito sa mga DDS na nagtatanong, teka lang, Day, sino ka ba para i-question mo si VP Sara? Kaya ito yung sagot niya.
I do not want to be like that. I want to ask her about the job that she has done. Something that she did not answer in the many instances that she was given a chance to explain herself. But instead, what do when we question her? You attack us as if it is a crime to question leaders about their responsibilities towards us. That's where you and I differ. Because I do not worship her as if she were a god, because she isn't. She is an imperfect example of a leader that won by default because of propaganda. Propaganda that I took part of and I feel responsible for. I feel responsible for it. Because nabudol rin ako.
Kayo ba, mga sangkay, same ba kayo ng nabudol kayo? Kung si Jam Magno, sinasabi niya na nabudol ako. Kayo ba? Ano ang opinion nyo dyan?
So now you are mad at me because I question that? Or that I do not agree with the fact that she will want a promotion without actually working hard for the current position that she has? Isn't that even more laughable that we do not question our leaders? Criticism is normal. Insults and lies are not. You have every right.
Grabe, no? Nilikturan yung mga DDS. Parang tinuruan sila ni parang teacher eh. Alam mo yung parang head teacher na pumasok sa loob ng sa loob ng classroom tapos nanirmon. Talagang palong-palo eh.
To talk about your leaders, to urge them to do better, to question their capabilities, because you put your trust in them. Public office is a public trust, isn't it not? So, for you to question my questioning her is an indication of who you are.
Ayan na.
A reflection of the kind of Filipino that you are. The kind of Filipino that would blindly follow somebody not because of capacity, because of pageantry. You treat her like some untouchable
God.
Grabe naman yun. Tinatrato niyo siya na parang untouchable God. My goodness! Pero sa totoo lang, guys, may mga DDS talaga na ganun eh. May mga nakikita ko parang sinasamba na po nila. Alam niyo, yung parang kulang na lang gawan ng rebulto tapos lumuhod tapos manalangin sa kanya. Ganun po eh. Tandaan nyo guys, lahat ng mga politiko sa ating bansa, lahat yan ay tao. Lahat yan hindi perpekto. Lahat yan may mga pagkukulang, may mga kakulangan sa kanilang leadership. That is why sometimes we have to question them. Diba? Sometimes we have to ask questions. Bakit ganito ang ginagawa ninyo? Ako nga, mga sangya, minsan, diba, tinatatanong din po natin si PBBM. Kagaya nito, isa sa tanong natin, Mr. President, bakit ang medyo nananahimik yata yung about sa flood control? Diba? Ayan yung mga katanungan natin eh. Walang problema sa pagtatanong eh. Tama dito si Jam Magno eh. Ang problema lang kasi, tinatamaan yung mga DDS kasi parang Panginoon na po nila eh. Yung mga Duterte. Ako, mga sangkay, wala akong problema kay VP Sara. 'Di ba? Wala akong problema, but sometimes, or kahit hindi sometimes, kailangan mo rin tanungin. Kasi may mga bagay kang naiisip na bakit kaya ganito siya? Bakit kaya hindi niya to gawin? 'Di ba? Well, ano po ang inyong opinion tungkol po dito sa mga banat ni Miss Magno? Comment down below. Meron po tayong YouTube channel. Ito po ay Sanggay Revelation. Hanapin niyo po ito sa YouTube ngayon din. Kapag nakita niyo na, i-click niyo po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click niyo po yung all. Ako na po yung magpapaalam. Mag-iingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.